Samsung has done it again. Just when we thought smartphone technology couldn't get more futuristic, the Galaxy S26 Ultra arrives, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. From its next-generation display with built-in privacy protection to its power-efficient COE, color on encapsulation technology, the S26 Ultra is a masterclass in design and innovation. But that's not all. Samsung is also preparing to launch two game-changing devices, a mixed reality headset that could rival Apple's Vision Pro, and the world's first trifolding phone that merges smartphone portability with tablet-level productivity. In this video, we're diving deep into every incredible detail, from the display breakthroughs of the S26 Ultra to Samsung's expanding tech ecosystem. And trust me, you'll want to see why this lineup is setting the standard for the entire industry. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how Samsung is shaping the future of technology, right here on TechVerse. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has officially taken the tech world by storm, redefining what a flagship smartphone can be in 2025 with innovations so advanced that they blur the line between imagination and reality. Samsung's latest masterpiece is not just about faster performance or sharper cameras. It's about creating an experience that feels futuristic, personal, and incredibly intelligent. At the heart of the Galaxy S26 Ultra lies its breathtaking display, and this is where Samsung truly shows its unmatched dominance in the industry. For years, Samsung's AMOLED panels have been recognized as the best in the world, but with the S26 Ultra, they've reached an entirely new level. The new privacy display mode is a revolutionary feature that instantly prevents others from peeking at your screen from side angles, giving users complete visual privacy without the need for third-party screen protectors. Whether you're on a crowded subway, sitting in a coffee shop, or attending a meeting, this technology ensures your data stays truly yours. This is not just a gimmick. It's a built-in hardware-level privacy system that protects sensitive information while maintaining vivid colors and incredible clarity. Another major leap forward comes with color on encapsulation, COE technology, an advanced display innovation that makes the S26 Ultra screen thinner, brighter, and significantly more energy efficient. This not only enhances brightness in outdoor conditions, but also improves battery life, an area where most flagship smartphones struggle. COE essentially eliminates layers between the OLED and protective coating, allowing light to pass more efficiently, resulting in richer colors, deeper blacks, and improved power management. For users, this means watching movies, playing games, or browsing in sunlight feels smoother and clearer than ever before, while also extending daily battery endurance. Samsung's focus on real-world functionality shows in every corner of this device. The S26 Ultra's rumored orange color variant is already creating buzz, potentially adding a bold, luxurious option to Samsung's signature palette. But Samsung isn't just focusing on aesthetics. It's building an ecosystem of futuristic devices that complement and expand the smartphone experience. One of the most anticipated upcoming releases is the Galaxy XR headset, Samsung's new mixed reality device developed in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. This headset is designed to deliver immersive AR and VR experiences at a fraction of the cost of Apple's Vision Pro, making advanced spatial computing more accessible to everyday consumers. Imagine attending virtual meetings, exploring digital worlds, or watching movies in a 3D theater, all powered by Samsung's cutting-edge display and processing technology. The Galaxy XR aims to revolutionize how we interact with digital content, transforming work, play, and creativity. Alongside this, Samsung is also preparing to unveil its most ambitious foldable yet, the Galaxy GFold, the world's first trifolding phone. This isn't your average foldable. When fully open, it reveals a massive 10-inch display, merging the portability of a phone with the versatility of a tablet. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, this device promises exceptional performance, multitasking capabilities, and visual brilliance. Priced around $3,000, the GFold targets power users, creators, and professionals who need flexibility without compromise. Its design showcases Samsung's expertise in hinge durability, ultra-thin glass engineering, and interface optimization, marking a new era of foldable technology. Together, these products, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, XR headset, and GFold, demonstrate Samsung's comprehensive strategy to dominate every corner of consumer technology. But what gives Samsung its real edge over competitors like Apple or Google is not just hardware, it's the ecosystem integration. Imagine seamlessly transferring files from your Galaxy S26 Ultra to the GFold, or switching from a VR session on the XR headset to a phone call on your S26 Ultra, all within seconds. Samsung is creating an interconnected digital universe designed to adapt to users' needs, whether it's for entertainment, productivity, or creativity. The S26 Ultra itself is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with enhanced cooling systems, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast performance for gaming, editing, and multitasking. The AI enhancements in One UI 7.1 further improve personalization, optimizing the interface based on how you use your phone. This means Samsung's continued software updates, security patches, and AI-driven optimizations. The S26 Ultra promises longevity that few other Android devices can match. For Samsung fans, it's the ultimate upgrade, and for competitors, it's the benchmark to beat. Whether you're fascinated by its display innovations, excited for the mixed reality revolution, or intrigued by the trifolding GFold, one thing is clear. Samsung is no longer just following trends. It's defining them. The company's innovation-first approach ensures that 2025 will be remembered as the year Samsung reimagined the smartphone, not just as a device, but as a centerpiece of a truly intelligent ecosystem. And as we look toward the future, it's impossible not to be impressed by how Samsung continues to anticipate user needs before they even arise. If you're ready to experience the next generation of display technology, privacy innovation, and intelligent design, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is your gateway to the future. And if you want to stay updated with more groundbreaking tech news like this, make sure to subscribe, because this is TechVerse, where technology meets tomorrow